Welcome to PickDigi, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest tech products. Today, we're excited to present our video on the top 5 best vacuum cleaners. If you're on the hunt for a vacuum cleaner that combines performance, innovation, and value, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 5 vacuum cleaners that have impressed us with their exceptional cleaning capabilities and cutting-edge features. From tackling pet hair to effortlessly cleaning multiple floor types, we've got you covered. But that's not all. To make your shopping experience even more convenient, we've included product links in the video description below. Simply click on the links to find more information about each vacuum cleaner or make a purchase. We want to ensure you have all the resources you need to make an informed decision. So, get ready to discover the best vacuum cleaners on the market. Our team has spent hours researching and testing these products to bring you this expert roundup. Sit back, relax, and let us guide you through the top 5 best vacuum cleaners on PickDigi. Let's jump right in. The Shark RV2502 Ultra Robot Vacuum, an advanced robotic vacuum cleaner designed to make floor cleaning a breeze. This smart vacuum utilizes artificial intelligence technology to efficiently clean your floors. On the positive side, the Shark RV2502 Ultra Robot Vacuum offers some great benefits. Firstly, its AI laser vision navigation ensures thorough and systematic cleaning by intelligently mapping and navigating your home. It covers all areas of your floors, leaving them spotless. Secondly, the powerful suction of this robot vacuum is impressive. It effectively picks up dirt, dust, pet hair, and debris from various floor surfaces, including carpets and hard floors. You can trust it to do a thorough job and maintain cleanliness. One of the standout features is the self-emptying base station. This means you don't have to worry about frequent manual emptying, as the vacuum automatically empties the dust bin into the base when it's full. This allows for continuous cleaning without interruptions. The multi-surface brush roll is another great feature. It adjusts automatically to different floor types, providing optimal cleaning performance regardless of whether you have carpets or hard floors. Controlling the robot vacuum is a breeze with the Shark Clean app and voice control compatibility. You can easily customize cleaning settings and schedule cleaning sessions from your smartphone. Plus, if you have a compatible voice assistant like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, you can control the vacuum using voice commands, adding even more convenience to the cleaning process. The recharge and resume feature is a real-time saver. If the battery runs low during cleaning, the vacuum will automatically return to its base to recharge and then resume cleaning from where it left off. This ensures that it completes the cleaning cycle without leaving any areas unfinished. On the downside, it's important to note that the availability and specific features of the Shark RV2502 Ultra Robot Vacuum may vary depending on the model and region, so it's advisable to check the details specific to your location before making a purchase. Some users may find the initial setup and mapping process time-consuming. Creating an accurate floor plan requires the vacuum to scan and analyze the surroundings, which can take some time. However, this is a one-time setup, and the benefits of accurate navigation outweigh the initial setup time. Additionally, the robot vacuum may face difficulties in navigating complex or cluttered environments. If you have a lot of furniture or obstacles in your home, it may encounter challenges in maneuvering around them. In conclusion, the Shark RV2502 Ultra Robot Vacuum offers advanced features and technologies that make floor cleaning easier and more efficient. With its AI laser vision navigation, powerful suction, self-emptying base, and convenient controls, it provides a thorough and convenient cleaning experience. While the initial setup may take some time and it may face challenges in complex environments, the overall performance and features of the Shark RV2502 make it a reliable choice for automated floor cleaning. It simplifies the cleaning process and helps maintain a clean and tidy living space. Miele 41LQ30 USA Scout RX2 Home Vision, an advanced robotic vacuum cleaner designed to provide efficient and convenient cleaning. On the positive side, the Scout RX2 Home Vision offers several advantages. Firstly, its smart navigation technology ensures efficient and organized cleaning by creating a virtual map of your home. This allows the vacuum to navigate and clean in a systematic manner, covering all areas. Secondly, the built-in camera is a standout feature. It provides a live feed of your cleaning area, allowing you to monitor the cleaning progress and even control the vacuum remotely using the Miele Scout RX2 app. This adds a level of convenience and control to your cleaning routine. The powerful suction of this robotic vacuum is impressive. It effectively removes dirt, dust, and debris from different floor surfaces, ensuring a thorough clean. Whether you have carpets or hard floors, you can rely on the Scout RX2 Home Vision to deliver excellent cleaning performance. The multiple cleaning modes are another advantage. You have the flexibility to choose from auto mode for general cleaning, spot mode for intensive cleaning of specific areas, or turbo mode for an extra boost of suction power when needed. This versatility allows you to customize the cleaning process to suit your specific needs. The edge cleaning and corner mode features are particularly useful. The vacuum pays attention to hard-to-reach areas, ensuring thorough cleaning along walls and corners. This attention to detail contributes to a comprehensive clean throughout your home. Additionally, the advanced filtration system is worth mentioning. It captures allergens and fine dust particles, improving the air quality in your home as it cleans. This is especially beneficial for those with allergies or respiratory sensitivities. The user-friendly controls and intuitive interface make operating this Scout RX2 Home Vision a breeze. You can easily schedule cleaning sessions, adjust settings, and monitor the cleaning progress through the Miele Scout RX2 app. This adds convenience and flexibility to your cleaning routine. In terms of drawbacks, it's important to note that the Scout RX2 Home Vision may be relatively more expensive compared to other robotic vacuum cleaners on the market. Additionally, the built-in camera may raise privacy concerns for some users. It's essential to consider these factors and determine if they align with your preferences and budget. In conclusion, the Miele 41LQ30 USA Scout RX2 Home Vision offers advanced features and technologies that enhance the cleaning process. With its smart navigation, built-in camera, powerful suction, and user-friendly controls, it provides a comprehensive and convenient cleaning experience. While the price and privacy considerations may be factors to consider, the overall performance and features of this Scout RX2 Home Vision make it a reliable choice for automated cleaning. It simplifies the cleaning process and helps maintain a clean and tidy living space. The Roborock S7 Robot Vacuum, a high-performance robotic cleaner designed to provide efficient and effective cleaning for your home. On the positive side, the Roborock S7 offers several advantages. Firstly, its sonic mopping technology sets it apart. The vacuum vibrates at a high frequency, providing a deeper and more thorough clean on hard floors compared to traditional mopping. This feature is especially useful for tackling stubborn stains and dirt. Secondly, the S7 boasts powerful suction that effectively picks up dirt, dust, and debris from various floor surfaces, including carpets and hard floors. Its cleaning performance is excellent, leaving your floors spotless. The adaptive routing algorithm is another notable feature. This algorithm enables efficient cleaning by creating dynamic cleaning paths. The vacuum intelligently navigates around obstacles and finds the most efficient route, saving time and ensuring comprehensive coverage. The S7's ability to map multiple floors is convenient for multi-story households. It remembers the layout of each floor, allowing it to clean different levels of your home with ease. Precision sensors, including anti-collision and click sensors, enhance the safety and reliability of the S7. These sensors detect and avoid obstacles and stairs, preventing accidental damage and ensuring smooth operation. Intelligent carpet detection is another advantage of the S7. When the vacuum detects that it's on a carpeted surface, it automatically boosts its suction power for a deeper clean. This seamless transition between hard floors and carpets ensures optimal cleaning on different surface types. On the downside, it's important to note that the Roborock S7 Robot Vacuum may have a higher price compared to some other robotic vacuum cleaners on the market. It's essential to consider your budget and priorities when deciding on a purchase. Additionally, the S7 does not come with a self-emptying feature. This means you'll need to manually empty the disc bin after each cleaning session. It's important to be aware of this requirement to ensure a smooth cleaning experience. In conclusion, the Roborock S7 Robot Vacuum offers advanced features and technologies that enhance the cleaning process. With its sonic mopping technology, powerful suction, adaptive routing algorithm, and multi-floor mapping capability, it provides efficient and thorough cleaning for your home. While it may have a higher price point and lacks a self-emptying feature, the overall performance and features of the Roborock S7 make it a reliable choice for automated floor cleaning. It simplifies the cleaning process and helps maintain a clean and tidy living space. The Eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11 Siemens Max is a powerful robotic vacuum cleaner designed to provide efficient and automated cleaning for your home. Firstly, the RoboVac 11 Siemens Max offers strong suction power, allowing it to effectively pick up dirt, dust, and debris from various floor surfaces. It's designed to provide a thorough clean, leaving your floors looking spotless. Another advantage of this robotic vacuum is its slim design. With a height of just 2.85 inches, It can easily navigate under furniture and reach tight spaces that are often challenging to clean. It ensures comprehensive cleaning throughout your home. The BoostIQ technology is a standout feature of the RoboVac 11 Siemens Max. It automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra vacuuming strength is needed. This feature is particularly useful for areas with heavy dirt or high traffic zones, ensuring a deeper and more thorough clean. The largest bin capacity is another benefit. With a capacity of 0.6 liters, the RoboVac 11 Siemens Max can hold a significant amount of dirt and debris, reducing the need for frequent emptying. Additionally, the RoboVac 11 Siemens Max features drop sensing technology and anti-collision sensors. These sensors help the vacuum navigate around obstacles and prevent it from falling off stairs or ledges, ensuring safe and reliable operation. The robotic vacuum also comes with a remote control, allowing you to conveniently schedule cleaning sessions, adjust cleaning modes, and manually control the vacuum's movements. However, it's important to note that the RoboVac 11 Siemens Max does not have mapping or room detection capabilities. It cleans in a random pattern, which may result in some areas being cleaned more than once, while others may be missed. This random cleaning pattern may not be as efficient as models with advanced mapping technology. In conclusion, the Eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11 Siemens Max offers powerful suction, a slim design for easy access to tight spaces, and convenient features like BoostIQ technology and a large disk bin capacity. While it lacks advanced mapping capabilities, it provides an efficient and automated cleaning solution for your home. It simplifies your cleaning routine and helps maintain clean floors with minimal effort. The iRobot Roomba 9 Plus is a top-of-the-line robotic vacuum cleaner designed to deliver exceptional cleaning performance and advanced features. Let's explore its key highlights. First and foremost, the Roomba 9 Plus boasts powerful suction capabilities, ensuring thorough cleaning on various floor types. It effectively picks up dirt, dust, and debris, leaving your floors spotless. One of the standout features of the Roomba 9 Plus is its advanced mapping and navigation system. It utilizes Imprint smart mapping technology to create a detailed map of your home, allowing it to navigate in a systematic and efficient manner. This means it can clean each room with precision and without unnecessary repetition. The Clean Base automatic dirt disposal is another notable feature. The Roomba 9 Plus automatically returns to its base station after cleaning sessions to empty its disc bin. This means you won't have to worry about manual emptying for weeks at a time, providing a truly hands-free cleaning experience. For homes with specific cleaning needs, the Roomba 9 Plus offers customizable cleaning zones. You can use the iRobot Home app to set virtual boundaries, designating specific areas for focused cleaning or avoiding certain zones altogether. The Roomba 9 Plus also comes equipped with advanced sensors that detect and avoid obstacles, preventing accidental collisions with furniture or other objects. It can navigate around your home with ease, ensuring a thorough clean while protecting your belongings. Additionally, the Roomba 9 Plus is compatible with voice assistants such as Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, allowing you to control the vacuum with simple voice commands for added convenience. It's important to note that the Roomba 9 Plus represents a premium option in the market, which might be reflected in its price. However, the advanced features, exceptional cleaning performance, and hands-free operation make it a worthwhile investment for those seeking a high-end robotic vacuum. In summary, the iRobot Roomba 9 Plus offers powerful suction, advanced mapping and navigation capabilities, automatic dirt disposal, customizable cleaning zones, and compatibility with voice assistants. While it may come with a higher price tag, it provides exceptional cleaning performance and convenience, making it a top choice for those seeking a premium robotic vacuum cleaner. It simplifies your cleaning routine and ensures your floors stay clean with minimal effort. That wraps up our video on the top 5 best vacuum cleaners. We hope you found it informative and that it helped you in your search for the perfect cleaning companion. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details on each vacuum cleaner. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, we would greatly appreciate your support. Please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with your friends and family who might also benefit from it. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content like this in the future. Thank you for watching PickDigi. Stay tuned for more exciting tech reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy cleaning!